Time to start another day of work. It's a great way to start a morning, though. Just the other side, the lake side of the bar. And then we're going to fill in this gap with just, not a bar, but just a likeness. Kind of come full circle. And we go back to the dog door in the garage and make a dog pen. And then we are done. Maybe we go see... Tonight we are supplying Kelly dinner because she's in Tech Week of a large musical, Cinderella. What you doing there, Susan?
I am leveling out this big dip that was here.
All right, so we've got this all smoothed out.
What are you doing over there?
Well, not only do I do fencing and do concrete work and make decks and bar outdoor grills, I also cook her meals. So, you know, we are the all-in-one team here. Actually, she has tech rehearsal early today. We came down because we never see her anymore. And we only have a couple days left, so we came down to make her dinner before her all-night rehearsal. There's the girl that we... Perfect.